This video can help you transfer photos from Android to iPhone wirelessly when your USB cables are unavailable. Option 1. Transfer photos from Android to iPhone wirelessly via Move to iOS. The app can natively transfer pictures from Android to iPhone after you first set up the receiving device. Option 2. Transfer pictures from Android to iPhone wirelessly with Google Photos. Google Photos gives you the freedom to upload any photo from your Android device over to your Google Cloud account. Option 3. Transfer photos from Android to iPhone via Wi-Fi using ShareIt. If you want to transfer merely a handful of data types, ShareIt, a Google Photos alternative, can be taken into consideration. It supports such files as photos, videos, and documents. Option 4. Transfer Android photos to iPhone wirelessly with Send Anywhere. Developed by Estmob Inc., Send Anywhere is a free cross-platform software that allows you to transfer photos, videos, etc. without any platform or file size restrictions. Option 5. Transfer Android pics to iPhone wirelessly by email. It's also wise to move photos selectively through email if you only need to. Transfer a few photos from Android to iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11x8. Option 6. Transfer photos from Android to iPhone wirelessly via iCloud. iCloud provides you 5 GB of storage space for free to sync files to your Apple devices. You can upload the files on your Android phone to iCloud before syncing them to your iPhone.